Have you ever wondered just how much of the universe remains undiscovered and unknown to us? Picture the cosmos, a vast and infinite expanse of space and time, filled to the brim with celestial bodies, galaxies, and phenomena that defy our understanding. Even as our knowledge expands, the universe continues to astound us with its complexity and grandeur. In spite of our advanced technology and tireless scientific exploration, it's a humbling fact that there are still parts of the universe that remain uncharted. Imagine the countless stars, planets, and galaxies that are waiting to be discovered. Consider the potential for groundbreaking scientific discoveries and revelations about the origins and nature of the universe itself. Our quest for knowledge and understanding is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. With every passing day, we are inching closer to unearthing the enigmatic secrets of the cosmos. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, our latest tool in the quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Launched in 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope represents a new era in space exploration. Engineered with an unprecedented level of precision, this telescope was designed to probe the furthest reaches of the universe, promising a view clearer and deeper than ever before. It's not just a telescope, it's a time machine. With its advanced infrared sensors, the James Webb Telescope can see through cosmic dust clouds, providing a glimpse of galaxies as they were billions of years ago. It's a journey back in time, to the very origins of the universe itself. Scientists held their breath at the time of its launch. The hopes and expectations were immense. They envisioned the telescope uncovering secrets of the universe, shedding light on the darkest corners of the cosmos, and potentially answering the age-old question, are we alone? Little did we know the James Webb Space Telescope was about to make a groundbreaking discovery. In its quest to explore the unknown, the James Webb Space Telescope stumbled upon something extraordinary. As it sailed through the vast expanse of space, the telescope's discerning eyes captured the sight of galaxies hitherto unknown to us. A spectacle that left even the most seasoned astronomers gasping in awe. These galaxies, scattered across the cosmic ocean, appeared as mere smudges of light, their secrets hidden in the depths of space. The discovery was purely serendipitous. The telescope was originally programmed to observe a distant star, but its gaze wandered, capturing a glimpse of these unknown galaxies. The data, when beamed back to Earth, took the scientists by surprise. They were expecting to study the star, but instead they found themselves staring at a whole new set of celestial bodies. The initial reactions were of disbelief, joy, and profound awe. The scientists couldn't believe their luck. They had stumbled upon a treasure trove of cosmic knowledge, a window into the unknown. The joy was palpable, laughter and cheers echoing through the control room, but this joy was quickly replaced by a profound sense of awe. Awe at the sheer scale of the universe and at the mysteries it still holds. The subsequent research was a whirlwind of activity. The scientists scrambled to make sense of the data, to understand what these unknown galaxies were, and what they could tell us about the universe. They pored over the data, conducted simulations, and debated theories. The work was intense, challenging, and incredibly exciting. And what they found was truly remarkable. These galaxies were not just distant clusters of stars. They were living, breathing cosmic entities, each with its own unique story to tell. They held clues about the formation of the universe, the evolution of stars, and perhaps even the origins of life. This discovery not only expands our understanding of the universe, but also opens up a whole new set of questions. As we continue to explore these unknown galaxies, we are reminded of just how little we know, and how much there is still to discover. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are but tiny specks, gazing up at the stars in wonder. Discoveries like these shape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The unveiling of these unknown galaxies offers a tantalizing glimpse into the cosmos's uncharted territories, pushing the frontiers of our knowledge and challenging our current cosmological theories. These findings are not merely answers, they are signposts, leading us to a cascade of new questions and mysteries to solve. They could redefine how we understand the universe's evolution, the formation of celestial bodies, and perhaps even the nature of dark matter and dark energy. With the James Webb Space Telescope, we've only just begun to tap into the universe's vast expanse. Every new galaxy, star, and planet discovered is another piece of the cosmic jigsaw puzzle, bringing us closer to a more complete picture of our grand cosmic home. As we continue to explore the cosmos, one thing is certain: the universe will always have more mysteries for us to unravel.